What's going on, vloggers? Today I'll be showing you how to draw two. You heard me, guys. Two. Very big. And then they're basically, hang on. You guys can't see them, but yes, guys, these are in an Amazon box. Don't blame me. I have none of the books of it. Mummy has it. So we're gonna be showing you guys how to draw. What should I show you guys how to draw? I think. What do you guys think? Okay, then I'm gonna draw this emoji, and make sure to stay tuned because I'm gonna be doing a fidget review. So I'm gonna show you guys all my fidgets, and then yeah, we're gonna draw this, my pineapple puppet. I'm the filmer because my sister doesn't film me anymore. She's been the filmers when we went to the park. And if you guys haven't seen that video or haven't liked it after this video, make sure you go and subscribe to my channel and like that video. It's a pretty old one because it was when I was in America. And then we're going to be showing you how to draw that, and then a few other random things me know how to draw. I think this is the only one. Comment down below if I've got another one. That is just my brother walking past, guys. But I haven't wait. You can't have an ice lolly. Okay, no, sorry about that, guys. I'm just talking to my donut boy. I call him Donut Boy. I mean Bagel and Donut Boy. So make sure you guys need a piece of paper, and I'm just gonna put my drawing pad on quickly because I need my drawing pad. Sorry for this one to get a little messy. Make sure you guys have something like a padding on if you don't want your padding getting dirty. You need a padding because if you're going to get your table dirty and you don't like a dirty table, then get a pad on it. So basically all you'll need for this tutorial is a piece of paper, pen or pencil, and colouring pencils or colouring pens or markers if you're American. First we're going to be drawing the pineapple puppet. Now, if you guys don't have one, you basically draw your pineapple shape. I'm drawing mine in brown. And then you just want to draw it how you want your pineapple to look. This is how I want my pineapple to look. The leaf and then the body. And then you want to draw some lines. You want to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. And then you want to draw 3 in the top, 3 circles in the top and bottom one. And then 4 circles into the ones on top of that, like this, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you want to draw 5 in the remaining, so 2. And there you go, guys. Now all we got to do is colour it. So I'm colouring my top as a dark green, but you guys can then be creative and use hang on, and use whatever colours you like. I prefer using colouring my puppets red and green if it's a pineapple. I don't know what you guys prefer, but I like doing mine these guys and leaving the circles white. You guys don't have to, but I like to. So you do want to colour in your puppet as much as you want. I'm only doing my half because I like leaving some plain, just in case I want to do it later. So then after the pineapple, you want to get, this is my remaining piece, and I'm going to go properly off camera. And next, we're going to draw a really cool knife. We're going to draw this emoji. Okay, so you can use whatever colour you want. I'm going to be using some pink to draw mine. So yeah, you want to basically draw the arms, one of the arms, and then go round to do the head. And then, hang on. I just need to check you guys out. Alright. Oh, sorry guys, you can only be able to see that. There we go. I'm gonna bring you guys a little closer to me. You guys are going to be set up just here. Sorry if you guys can see the computer in the background. It is because we have the worst for the computer. And then you want to draw with your black marker or pen. You want to draw cute little eyes and then draw the nose. There we go. And then all you have to do, guys, is get your other marker, your one you want to colour it with, and then just have your wait to have your Dad, he's had crackers.
Get an ice cream. I had crackers, darling. Did you? Yeah.
To be fair, I saw him take them. Sorry, guys, about that. And then that's how you draw 2 fidgets. Bye guys, I'm going to hand you over to my dad so then I can do the outro. Ow, ow. Actually, I'm just going to set you guys up. I'm going to set you guys up this. Bye guys, thanks for watching this thing. Make sure you're subscribed so then you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I only have 5 subscribers, but when I get enough to have my YouTube template, I'm going to do a video on that and open it. So make sure you guys subscribe and like the video, because then I will do it. But if you guys don't get to it, that number, then I'm not going to be doing it. So make sure you get to that number or over. Bye guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you smash that like button, and we'll see you all next time. I'm flossing. I have no clue why I am flossing. Okay, bye. Bye.